Ako po si Grace Violena, 23 years old. Ang pagbubuntis ko po to ay unang baby ko po. May mga times lang po na mahirap. Kadalasan po, maganda sa pakiramdam yung pagbubuntis. Nafe-feel mo siya pag gumagalaw, yun. Maganda sa pakiramdam.
We all remember our child's first smile, first step, first birthday, and the succeeding 4 years of joyful play. From the moment we lay our eyes on our child, we are filled with lofty dreams for the future.
Kailangan natin mag-focus sa mga 0 to 5 years old kasi isa sila na identify na vulnerable groups ng community. Sila rin ang tinuturing natin na mga future generations natin na mamamahala o mag-manage ng ating communities.
The first 5 years is critical for the overall well-being of the child. It provides a foundation for healthier and better educated nations because what a child experiences before they turn 5 years old affects later stages of development. Child Health Now is World Vision's global advocacy campaign to help children survive 0 to 5 years, the most vital years of early development. It aims to contribute to Millennium Development Goal 4 to reduce child mortality by 2/3 and Goal 5 to reduce maternal mortality by 3/4.
Every time na may hindi maganda yung pakiramdam ko, pumupunta ako ng health center para magpatingin sa doktor or magpatingin sa midwife para sa kalunasan kung ano man po yung problema sa pagbubuntis.
The mother's health during pregnancy and safe delivery directly affects the chances of a child to live. The newborn who loses a mother is 10 times less likely to survive.
Pinapangarap ko sa baby ko, lumaki siya ng maayos, malusog. Yun lang yung siguro yun lang yung pangarap ng ina sa magiging anak niya.
Health services and nutrition are not always available, affordable, and of good quality. Undernutrition causes 1/3 of all preventable deaths in children under 5. Studies have shown that addressing undernutrition in children can lead to 2 to 3% growth in the country's economy.
Bago sila lumabas sa aming birthing facility, talagang tinututukan sila ng ating mga doctors. Tinuturuan sila sa proper na pagpapalaki ng mga anak nila. And ang basic nito, yung breastfeeding sa mga bata.
And then kung kailangan nila ng feeding program, lalo pa kung hindi maganda yung timbang na may nakita tayong may mga problema, the city government unit provides a feeding program through our nutrition officer. Ini-educate yung parents about pagpapaganda ng nutrisyon ng bata, paano magbigay ng anong mga tamang pagkain, and then ano-ano yung mga pwede pa nilang gawin.
Efforts must be intensified to decrease undernutrition, especially in the first 2 years of life, to prevent delayed mental development and higher risk of infectious diseases. Complete and functional health service facilities should exist in the communities, and that mothers and their children should avail them. Citizens can become the voice of mothers and children to demand for government provisions for better health care. Indeed, much more needs to be done. In the Philippines, Child Health Now engages government executives, policymakers, health personnel, the community, media, and all other sectors that have a stake in improving the health of children. While there are existing national laws and local policies that promote child health and nutrition, government budget allocations are insufficient. Families still pay 54% for their basic health care.
Kailangan talagang yung commitment ng local government unit. Kung wala kasing commitment yung mga local government units, para bang mahirap ma-implement yung mga policies ng national and international agencies.
Often, children suffer from the consequences of myths, superstitious practices, and neglect of their families and caregivers.
Once ma-change mo na yung behavior ng nanay, so pwede nang ma-stop yung cycle ng malnutrition. Importante lang talaga yung education, advocacy, na parang ma-convince mo sila na may mga ways pa tayo na magagawa.
Sa kuya pong pigigibo, sa pagpaaram sa mga programa po ninda, sa centers, sa mga po sa munisipyo. Sarap po ito sa paagi ko po na nakatuwang po ako.
Parents can learn better child health practices if given the right information and support by the community.
Our children, sabi nga, is our hope for the future. Ano naman naasahan natin kung puro pala sila malnourished? At higit sa lahat, mamamatay din lang pala. Dinala pa natin ng 9 months, inalagaan pa natin ng ilang taon, pinagsakripisyuhan pa ng nanay. Tapos hindi mo naman pala nakikita na mabubuhay lang siya ng ilang taon pa, na magiging magandang future.
Malaga po kalusugan ng mga anak ko. Dahil po, mahirap lang po kami, wala po kaming pambili po ng gamot. Halimbawa kung magkakasakit sila. Kung malusog po sila, makakapag-aral po sila ng mabuti at saka po magkakaroon po sila ng magandang kinabukasan po.
Sa mga kapwa ko po magurang, hinikayat ko po kamo na maging voluntary din po. Parehas ko po para po makatuwang po sa mga kaakian po, sa mga badus, para po sa tuya po na komunidad.
Lahat tayo, ikaw man ay nasa gobyerno, ikaw man ay pribado, ikaw man ay may negosyo, ikaw man ay nanay, ordinaryong mamamayan, may magagawa ka para sa ikabubuti ng ating bayan, lalong-lalo na sa mga kabataang ito.
Everybody should be involved. Citizens' voice should influence actions that prioritize children's health in every Filipino community. 11 women die each day from complications of pregnancy and childbirth, and 30 children out of 1,000 born in the Philippines would not reach their 5th birthday. The life of each child is precious. It is an extension of our own and that of our whole nation. The first 5 years in a child's life may seem short, but it is the most crucial years of development.
Pag nanganak ako, siguraduhin kong makukuha niya yung mga sustansyang kailangan niya. And madadala ko siya sa center para sa immunization niya, para at least maiwasan yung mga sakit na dadapo sa kanya sa mga susunod na panahon. Yun, mag-breastfeeding ako.
The moment that the family, the government, and the community falter to nurture a child, it will have an irreversible and devastating effect. That is why child health cannot wait. We have to take care of our children now.